you're using your EDLA panel, you might want to use two apps at the same time. We can put it in split screen. Let's learn how. Let's pretend we were using the myViewBoard software. This is an image of the different layers of a mountain, a 14er in southern Colorado where I grew up, called Uncompahgre. So we want to kind of talk about the quartz layer and how that all formed. However, it's kind of boring. I'd like to maybe do a virtual field trip. So I want to use Google Earth at the same time as using myViewBoard. Here's how we do it. What you want to do is you want to start in the app, like myViewBoard or Google Chrome or whatever you want to split screen with. Start in one of the programs. Then go to your side toolbars and find the double square icon. If you don't see the double square icon here, it'll be on the bottom, or if you don't see it on the bottom, you can always swipe up and you'll see it's grayed out, but the double square icon is actually right here as well. And when you press that, it's just gonna show your recent apps. So this is how I could switch back and forth between different programs like myViewBoard to Google Chrome. But you'll notice that there is a split screen option at the bottom. So if I choose split, what it's gonna do is it's now gonna let me pick what program I want to split it with. So you'll see I had Google Chrome there, the system settings, which I don't want to split with. But if I keep going, there's Google Earth, because I was using that earlier. So if I select Google Earth, what it's going to do is it's going to put myViewBoard on one side, and then it's going to put Google Earth on the other side. And what's nice about this is that this is all touch and interactive, right? We can explore Uncompahgre using touch. But then if I need to come over here and use myViewBoard, I can quickly do that at the same time. This here just lets you resize it. So if you want to get more space, say on myViewBoard and still have Google Earth over here, you can. And then we could, for example, get out our pen tool, and then we can start making connections between what we see in Google Earth and what we have here in myViewBoard. So quick review, start on one app, either via the side toolbars or the double square. Tap that. That will let you choose split screen, and then you can choose the second program you want to split with. And then whenever you're finished, if you want to exit it, all you do is you take this bar, swipe it all the way over, and now we're back in full screen.